Hi, it's Phil at 11 Shares. This video is going to be about our advanced filters, how to use them, why you would potentially use them. If I click into the filters, you'll see that you can basically filter each of our column headings. There's various reasons why you would do so. As you can see here, I've already took out the illiquid shares, which are more difficult to trade, and you may not be able to buy in and sell out as easily as you would other shares. Whether they've IPO'd in 2 years, some people are not interested in that. These could be finding their level over the first few years. The performance could be up and down. It could be finding its true value. So we take them out, and you may not want any lower valued companies in there. You may not be interested in these, with them being a bit more volatile and moving quicker. So there's lots of things that you can filter for. And that's just a quick overview of a potential investment pullout. So you'd then have a look at these, click through, see a chart. If you are interested, go into your TradingView chart to do more analysis. You can click on the TradingView tab, and it'll come up with your linked account, so you could do further analysis. But if you were to go back and you think, right, I'm looking for a share this week to trade, now what would we look at? We'll take out all these filters. You can do that by just reloading the page if you wish. And then you can come back into filters and you think, right, okay, what do I want in a traded share? I'm going to look for a high reversal score. I still want it to be a high ranked score. So I'll come through and I'll go rank. Right, okay. The maximum I want is 500. I know this is relatively good. It's in the top third of companies that we've ranked. Reversal score. What do we want? Do we want anything? I think we want a minimum of 65%, so we know it's dropped off from its highs recently. And do we want to look at the trading range? Not yet, but we can potentially filter that later. So we'll apply that filter and we'll see what pops up. Now we've just got a couple of shares for us to look into further for a trade. 5 shares filtered down, so these are now all over 65% reversal score, all in the top 500. And there's less than you think to then research further. So I can click through to this now. Tiny build, 76% reversal score. I will click through to my TradingView and look at the advanced chart. I will then make a quick decision. Let's have a look at this. I think it's oversold, so it's potential for reversal. But looking at this, you know, we're below our 8 moving average, below our 50, below our 200. It is a beaten down share over a period of time. The MACD is potentially not looking too good either. And this is telling you that you could buy at this point, but it's not advisory, or you've got to make your own mind up. So for me, this is not a buy. It's one that I could look at quite quickly and say, yeah, not interested. But on another day, it may have pulled out a share at the top with a high reversal score, and it'll be just ripe for trading and buying into at that point. So there's a quick example of how you can use the filters. If you want, you can filter further down into that or less. You could look for the trading range, which shows you where it is within say ATR bands or Bollinger bands, or you could just use an in-trend pullback score and look for something that's slightly better trending, that may give you a chance of a in-trend pullback. So any questions, please get in touch. Thank you very much.